Myself, Syamili. Thank you for joining today's webinar section hosted by UHS Enterprises. As an authorized gold partner with over a decade of experience, we are excited to explore how Tally Prime on Cloud Access. Today, we will explore how Tally Prime's cloud based features can enhance your business operations by providing seamless access, flexibility, and real time updates from anywhere, anytime. Whether you are on the go or working remotely, this webinar will show you how Tally Prime can streamline your accounting, inventory management, and more in a secure cloud environment. So feel free to ask questions by the chat box or connect with us afterwards. This section will also be available on our YouTube channel soon. So don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for updates. So today's section will handled by Mr. Yash Kishore. Let's dive into how this powerful tool can transform your business.
Thank you, Syamili. I hope you are able to hear me. Please confirm.
Okay, we didn't
Perfect.
see you.
Perfect. Thank you, Ishad.
We didn't see your face.
It's okay. So we will be just sharing the PPT because we have the share screen. So we won't be opening the videos so that the experience will be smoothless.
Okay.
Thank you. So before I start off, just few things. So we will try to make this experience seamless, and if there is any technical issues, we'll try to solve it that time. And like if you guys have any questions, anything during the sessions, please feel free to put it in the chat. So at the end of the sessions, we'll be taking a Q&A. So whatever questions you have it, we'll try to answer it at the end of the session. So let's start off. So what is today's agenda? So today's agenda is basically like how the cloud works, what is the demand of the cloud, why Tally Prime Cloud Access we have brought in, what is the user and business benefits to make your business fly, live demonstration of Tally Prime Cloud Access, and at the end, like the Q&A where we'll be answering all your doubts. Let's start off.
A growing business demands a lot from you. One of your key priorities is to make sure that as your business becomes more distributed.
Just 1 second. I hope you were able to hear the video.
Yes, yes. Sound and
Perfect.
video is okay.
Perfect.
It should still be centralized for smooth operations. The current times also demand greater flexibility, with business not restricted to your office or shop and your workforce needing the freedom to work from anywhere. To support our customers to manage their distributed operations easily, we have launched Tally Prime Cloud Access and have brought you an option to access Tally Prime on Cloud. Tally Prime Cloud Access brings together a combination of simplicity, security, reliability, and a speed you and your business will love. This solution will help you to collaborate and run your needs by working on the same data from multiple locations.
நான் இப்ப மீட்டிங்ல இருக்கேன்
Virtual machine is created for you on a secured cloud system. The virtual machine offers everything that a local computer does to run your business. It can be seamlessly accessed either through a client or a web browser on Windows, Mac, Linux platforms. It supports all the features of Tally Prime that you need for your day-to-day business operations. Apart from using Tally Prime, you can perform other activities like viewing documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, as well as browsing the internet. The virtual machine provided to you is maintenance-free. You just have to choose the plan and start using. The transition from your premises to Tally Prime Cloud Access is smooth and easy. You will be able to manage users by yourself and have the flexibility to upgrade or downgrade the usage plan based on your needs. If you are an existing Tally user, you do not have to buy an additional license. Once you opt for this solution, all you have to do is surrender your current Tally Prime license and reactivate it on the virtual machine. If you are a new user, you can directly activate the license on this virtual computer. So now you have a powerful option to access your Tally Prime license and business data from anywhere. You can be centralized and diversified at the same time and always be connected to your business. For more information, visit tallysolutions.com/meta. Tally Prime Cloud Access, reliable, secure, simple, and affordable.
So this video, we have shown it like majority of the things what we will be covering today, and majority of the questions, answers would have got it from this video itself. So as I was telling, like Tally Prime Cloud Access gives you a reliable, secure, and simple and affordable solution for your business. So why demand of cloud or anywhere solution have started? So especially after the COVID and all, we faced a lot of issues while going to the office and staying at like we had to stay at home and all. So from that point onwards, like the demand of for anytime anywhere solution has increased drastically. And so that's why we have brought Tally Prime on cloud access for that reason. So now we will go to the setting up of Tally Prime Cloud Access. So how the setup of Tally Prime Cloud Access will be done. So there is two ways of accessing your cloud. So first one is through a browser where you can search for it, and the other one is through a client application. So these are the two ways to access your cloud in Tally Prime Cloud access. So one through a browser. So in the browser, there's no limitations of like it has to be Windows or Linux or something like that. So browsers can be operated on Mac also, Windows also, or even on your phone also. So it's a browser access. The other one is a client application. So where we need a Windows this application like Windows system where we can install the application, and in the application we can access Tally Prime. So how the cloud access on browser works. So first we will be entering like, yeah. So first we will be going through how, like we will put the email ID and the password for us. Just 1 second, let me go back and show it to you. I'm really sorry, like there is some problem. Just hold on. Yeah. So first we will go to tallysolutions.com. We'll click on Tally Prime Business Software or tallysolutions.com. Okay. And then we will go to login. So first you have to give your Tally.net ID and the password. Then click on login. When you click on login, you have to click on your customer this portal, and then on the left hand side you can see there is a Tally Prime AWS. So you have to click on Tally Prime AWS. The next screen will come there. You have to click here, and then you have to fill the mandatory fields. So your admin email ID, you have to fill it. Your organization name, you have to fill it. And then in the bottom, you can see partner information where you have to select UHS or tick on the TSPL decided partners, whatever. So you have to put, do not forget to put the partner name. So UHS is the partner name. Please put the partner name as UHS and submit it. The moment you submit it, the lead has been created and goes to that particular partner. Okay. So once more, you have to log in and then get it done. You have to create the leads. After that, you will be receiving a mail explaining each and everything like tally.net user ID, password, and the secure PIN. And then on the bottom, you will see like there is two links which will be there. Self-service portal. When you click, it gives you a browser access where you have to put the email ID and the password and the PIN. So there's a two ways authentication is required, password and the PIN. Then you log in, then you come to this particular screen, which is the cloud screen. So you can see virtual office status has stopped and it's not working. You have to just click on connect and then it will get connected. So this is how you access the browser, or this is how you get the cloud access for your Tally Prime. Now, after you receive this, you have to just click on start. Now your virtual office status turns to running. Now, after that, you press on connect. Then the computer will take some time to connect to the virtual machine. The moment it gets connected, you will see the Tally Prime logo appearing. Click on that. So it's a pre-default, we have installed that Tally Prime. Then when you click on that, all your details will be coming here, and this is how you can operate on cloud. So Tally Prime Cloud Access on the browser works like this. I hope everything is clear. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to put it in the chat. Anything related to browser access or anything related to Tally Prime on cloud, please put it in the chat. Okay. Next, we will go to the cloud access on the client application, how exactly it works. So when we go, you can see the same screen, there's a download client option coming. You click on that and then there's a virtual computer connection release 2.0. You click on download for that and the download will start. After the download is completed, you click on that. Then the installation will start for the virtual computer connection. You click on the end user license agreement and press install. The installation process will start and the application has been installed on your system. Now you press start, and the same way how you do it in the browser, you have to give your tally.net ID, password, and the secure PIN and click on login. Again, it will take some time to log into or to the virtual machine. The moment it logs in, the Tally Prime default icon will be appearing and you click on that and you can work on Tally. Okay, so sorry, I skipped. So now there is second thing, which after installation of Tally Prime, what is the next step? What we have to do is like manage your data on cloud access. So if you are an existing user and you have a data which is on the premise based, how you can get that data on cloud. So now what we will do is like we will open the virtual machine and then we will check the data path where your TBK file or the backup file is there. Then we will go to an storage, click on the left top storage, share data on my files. Like you have all those, and you can create a folder also. Now there's an option of upload file. You click on that, go to the location from where you have kept your data path, like your backup. You click on that and click on open. After that, there won't be any pop-up. There is a notification which is on the right hand side top, which will be activated. You can go and click on that. Then you will be able to see like your download has been started, or it's in process, or it's been done. This is how you get your data on cloud. So remember, you have to, on the left top, you have to go to the storage, click on the shared data or wherever you want the data to be kept. You click on upload, select the file, and then upload. There won't be any pop-up or anything. Remember, on the right hand side top, you will see the notification. Even when the data is getting uploaded, it might take some time. So you can see like how much percentage has been completed. And after that, when it's done. Now, when we click on that, we click on the data where we have kept it. You can see the data is available there. Now, if you want to download some of the data, so you click on that, the data will be downloaded on your premised system. So you can see it here. It's coming where at the downloads, the same data, or even you can say like you have downloaded a PDF or XML or exported any thing in Tally Prime Cloud Access. Those things you can download back to your system also. Same way, you have to just click on the storage. I'll do one thing. I'll go back and show it to you once again. So you are in the application or a web browser, wherever it is, you have to go to the storage, click on that, go to the particular file which you want to download on your premise base, with the folder. You click on that, then the file what you want to download, you can click on that and the download will start. And in the notification, you can see that download has been done to your system. So remember one thing, we cannot do a copy paste in the virtual machine. We cannot, from virtual machine also to a premise base, we cannot do a copy paste. We have to either do a download from virtual machine to a premise based machine, or we have to upload from premise based machine to a cloud based machine. Now there's a self-service portal. Okay. How you have to add the users, how to restart or shut down, manage your users, update Tally Prime. These things you will be able to set on the self-service portal. So as you remember, like at the initial stage, we started through this only, and we downloaded the client also from this page only. So how exactly it works is, there's a three dots. You click on that, there is options which will be coming: restart, shutdown, reports, events log, and settings. When you go to the settings, you have manage users. You click on that. You have an option of adding your like add users, or you want to remove some users. You can do that through this. You have an option of giving an access also, or you status and all, you can make it as active, inactive. You want to give partial access or full access, all those things you can set it from here itself, and then you can add the user. You want to edit some users or delete users also, if you have created it previously, you can do that too. Now we'll go to the settings and manage backup. So when you click on the manage backup, it shows you all the details, when was the backup was taken, which date, which time, and you want to take a backup immediately, you can do that also. Now you want to download the backup in your client PC from your virtual PC to the premise-based PC. That also can be done. Now there's an option of update. So if you are not on the latest release, you go here, you click on update Tally Prime, and your Tally Prime will come to the latest version. Do remember, you need to still have the TSS validity to update to the latest Tally Prime. So TSS or subscription is compulsory to update to Tally Prime latest release, or for any updates, you need to have a subscription valid. So if you are not having a validity of your subscription and all, please connect with the UHS. They will help you out to get the latest release done. So as you can see, like there is 2-3 things which we wanted to be ahead of a lot of companies. So we have seamlessly integrated your business data with other applications also through cloud, access intelligent reports and data faster. As you can see, like all the reports you will be able to download and then download on your virtual machines, like export it in your virtual machines and download back to your premise base. That also can be done. And even we take care of the security too. So as you can see, like there is two-factor authentication at the initial stages, where you have to give your tally.net ID, your password, and the secure PIN also is compulsory. So by any chance someone knows your password and all, still they might not know your secure PIN. The data is already encrypted. Encrypted remote access we are giving, and encrypted user information also we are providing. So there are some prerequisites for Tally Prime on cloud access. So first one is, it has to be a Tally Prime release 5.0 or higher. Then only you will be able to get this. So there are some features based on Tally licenses, which we have mentioned it here. So there are few things which is, so for example, like go to switch has been enabled from Tally Prime 1.0. In Tally RP9, you won't get these features. In Tally Prime 2.0, you will be getting a save view features, edit logs. Tally point 3, like we have increased the retention of original voucher numbers and report filters. And that's how, like in release 4.0, we increased the import facilities, graphics on the dashboards we have brought in, WhatsApp for business we have brought in, and in release 5 onwards, we brought the bill-wise sortings, Arabics and notifications, strip view, all those things. Plus release 5.0 onwards, only you will be able to use the Tally Prime Cloud Access. Hope this is clear. I am keeping this page for few more seconds so that you guys can also analyze, because there are lots of things which you might not be using it. So please go through it, like see whether you guys are using these features. If not, you might be on the older release. You need to get to the latest release. So please feel free to contact UHS so that they can bring you to the latest release of Tally Prime, so that you get all the benefits, all the features for yourself, and so that you can do it or use it, each and every features for your business. Anything related to this also, please feel free to put it in the chat. So what are the benefits? So first benefit is it's a reliable. We have Tally Prime Cloud Access partnered with AWS, Amazon Web Services, which is a very known, you can say like software company. The second benefit, the most important benefit, is the data center is in UAE itself. So as per now, there is no laws and nothing as like the data center has to be in UAE itself. But there are few industries which they have confirmed, like the banking section, banking sector, the healthcare sectors. There, the data center has to be in UAE itself. Now the VAT came, there were some changes and all the corporate taxes coming. So there might be in future, we never know. There might be in future, they will say like, okay, the data center for all the businesses has to be in UAE. So that's why we do not want any issues later on. So that's why what we did it, like we brought the data center in UAE through this directly as from today, like from Taliprime Cloud Access. Now there is no limitations of your access also. So you can access the software 24/7, anytime and anywhere. And the best part is like it's very affordable. So for the pricing related things, like for any commercials related things, please contact UHS. They will help you out with the pricing for Taliprime Cloud Access. So you will have your own dedicated virtual machine also. So it's your own virtual machines. You want to upgrade to more storage or more configurations, higher configurations. It's your virtual machine. You can do it at any time. So with the storage and with the you can say like the configurations, the higher configurations, you will get more and more number of users access also. And the ownership of the data belongs to you itself because you are having your own virtual machine. You can download at any time. That is the best part. You do not have to rely on anyone. If you are having like 2 months, you want to work on cloud, and after the third month, you are not happy with the cloud or whatever it is, you can immediately download that data and start working on your premise. So that much of an ownership of data and the software is the benefit which you are getting through this. Okay. Now we will go to an Q&A. So I think we have some of the questions in the chat. Till then, if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to put it. Tom asked, like, will this feature works for a single user license? UHS has already answered, yes, it will work. So I wanted everyone to know, like, for a single user license also, you can take the cloud option where you will be getting for one user. Also, you are eligible to get the Taliprime Cloud Access. So remember one more thing. So he has asked like using Taliprime Silver, the cloud access will be given. So you need to have a license, Taliprime license separately, and then we can host it on the cloud. So you have to buy the cloud also. I have got only these doubts as of now. Anyone else has any doubts? Toms, that UHS will connect with you, Syamili or someone, anyone, whoever it's there. Please connect with Tom's. He's asking for the commercials and all. So please discuss with him. I'll wait for a few more minutes. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to put it.
Sorry to interrupt, Yash. If anyone to want to see the physical experience how it works means you just press chat in yes, so we can show you how it looks actually in the system, how we can log in and the complete setups we will show you.
Uma, I think you can take the access and you
Sir, I
can
have a question.
show it to them because a few people wants to have the experience.
Sir, I have a question.
Please.
Hi. Yeah, this one without AWS, it will work in the premises own server.
Sorry, Ajish, I
Connecting
could not get it properly. What is your question?
without AWS, with own premises will work in server.
Yes. So how it was done before, it remains the same for the premise based. We have just added on the cloud option also.
Yeah, but I
How-
don't want to go for AWS.
So whatever you are working, like you have a tally right now.
Yeah.
So how you are working right now as a premise based,
Yes.
it will remain the same. So we are not disturbing anything who doesn't want to migrate to the cloud and all. However you are working, it will remain the same. There won't be any changes. But whoever wants to go on cloud and not they do not want to be on a premise base, they have the option of going to the cloud also.
No, I mean if I don't want to go to AWS, but I want a remote access, like a browser kind of it, the one you show.
Yeah, so both the things are available. So you want to go with the AWS, what you can do is like you have an option of either downloading and as an application, or you can do it through the browser access. Like you just have to go to the tallysolution.com and then do it. That's all.
Okay, so if the Tally server is sitting in another premises, which is different networks, so I can still access
Yeah,
with the
when you
browser.
have cloud, then there is no issue with where the server is. So it will be available for everyone.
Okay, okay. But I'm talking about my own server, not AWS.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
wherever
okay,
your
okay.
So what we
Okay.
will do is like wherever your server is, we will put the same configuration kind of a thing. We will do one thing. We will give you one virtual machine where we will make the main virtual machine as your server, and we will give you the clients where like you can give the access to different users. As we showed it to you, like you can add the users. If you have the options, like you have bought the configurations for a higher this thing for your cloud, you get few of the users free of cost. So what you can do is like we will make the server as a main virtual machine, and we will give the different users so that they can use it through wherever they are. So they can, so for example, I'll tell you like my system, I'll keep it as a server, and I will give you one email ID where you will receive a mail from AWS or from Tally Prime Cloud Access that this email ID has this password and this secure pin. So now next step what you will do is like you will go to the link, click on that. There will be an option coming. Please put your .NET ID and password and the pin. You put it and then you can access that. I think Uma, if you show it to them, they will be
So,
able to understand it.
in this case, where is the data storing? So, in the
It will
premises
be
server
stored in
only.
the cloud itself.
No, but premises server it's not storing.
No. So when you are shifting it to cloud, either at one place the data will be there. You can always download it to the premise based also.
Okay.
Even the backup will be done in a different like location, you can say. So the data backup will be also done through cloud if you have switched to cloud access.
Because our another system is working with the 40-bit this one with I don't know about that one actually. The virus guard and all those protected and with Fortinet. So we put it like
You are saying 32-bit operating this encryption that is working?
yeah.
Then
So
I'll
we have
suggest like, okay, I'll tell UHS team to connect with you. They will help you like how exactly it can be migrated to cloud. So that will be a great help for you also.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. Uma, are you
Yes, yes,
sharing?
I'm
Perfect.
before showing, as Yash said, this Tally Prime Cloud is provided by Tally itself. So it is reliable and it is a AWS which is provided by Tally. So the license and data will be in cloud only. It is not in your premises. We will move the license and data from your premises and it will be moved to the cloud to access it. Any all the users, whoever uses, if it's single user or a multi user and whoever using in the office, they will be moved everything to be online. So they can access it from anywhere. Even if they are sitting in office or if they are moving anywhere, they can access it through cloud. And it is a 100% good security. It is a Linux based security is available. So data security, it is trustable. And the data also, it is in the data server is this AWS data server is in UAE. And for the cloud, for the cloud, they are giving two applications, two types you can access. One is by the through the browser you can access, or use the Tally is giving an application to access it also. So to access it to the browser, and a login website is given. Once you given, a two-factor authentication is given. So even when you go and inside the Tally, there is a username and password. Before that, an username and password is given to the users with a secure pin. So once you given this, it will take you to the self-service portal where you can see the systems which are being connected. And if you say just connect, it will load into a separate page. When every time daily morning once you open, it will take some 5 minutes to open it. It is like a switching on your system. So it is switching on your virtual computer. So it takes some from 5 minutes for the first time alone. The next time when you are logging in, it will open in 1 or 2 minutes. See, this is a Tally and which I am open in the cloud browser access. You can see a data over here. Uh, it's a normal regular Tally where you can use all the functionalities of latest versions 5.0. From 5.0 only we can upgrade it to this versions. If your TS is valid, you can move to this 5.0 and you can migrate it to the cloud. As he has said before, uploading and downloading of data is only possible through this procedures, and for copy and paste buttons are given. No other softwares other than the Tally, Excel and PDF, we can't install any other softwares. If you are using any mobile application softwares also, only this application is allowed, that we will configure and give you. The initial configurations, everything we will be done by UHS only. We will give you the login access and everything. Then you can just log in with your ID and password. The complete data, we will move license and data to the cloud. And the access only this Tally Prime installations and Arabic there are two Tally exes will be given for Arabic separately and for the Tally regular English separately. And they are also giving one disk drive to access your data where you import and export your files, the data folders and other files. If you want to maintain, you can maintain over here. You can export and import the same files over here. Other than this, the regular Tally will be accessible. If you have any customizations is running, that also it can be transferred to this normal Tally over here. And this is the browser access configuration. I'm just showing you how it works on the app based. I'm disconnecting. See, in the desktop, there is an application called Virtual Computer Connections. Once you open that, it will ask you for the passwords again. And the password and the PIN. This pins and passwords can be reset by your email ID. Email ID should be active to get this access. And when you can see this, again the usernames are visible. And here, if you go and click on connect, the application will open. It is a full applications, not in the browser. It is a normal application. This you can download it from the exes that they given in the email. The same functionalities how we are using on the browser access, the same will be for this system, this application also. The one main difference what you face, it is the printers. In the, if you use on a normal Chrome or a Firefox or a Internet Explorer, the printers, it will be PDF only, you can convert it, and then from there you can go for a print. But when you are using on a application of Tally, if you print in the configure, when I say select for the printer, here comes all my in the system, whatever printers I installed, those also will be listed, so they can use it from that printer to take the print directly. Don't want to convert to PDF or something. So that if someone is using customized invoice and a dot matrix format, so every time they want to convert in PDF and print it, that will be not flexible. But this one, it will directly give all the printers whichever it is used in this particular system. And regarding the user and tallies, I'm just closing it. And see, when you're taking this, I'll just go to browser access. As said before, we can restart the machine from here itself. If your system is hanged or you want the system restart to machine, you can give a restart over here. If you want to shut down the machine, shutdown means completely shutdown means it will be shut down after the prescribed time. You can enable it, and we have an event log when you logged in and when is your loss in this one. Whenever they logged in, and those details will be created as an log and keep it. If you want, we can download it in Excel as well as. And we also do have manage users. If you are having multiple users, we can create multiple users over here. And under the multiple users, who wants to add what data to be accessed, that rights also full access or partial access. Only the tally want to be accessed, no data to be means, then I'll give only partial access. And if it's a administrator or a users, we can define the user rights also in the cloud. And when you're taking a cloud, backups are happen automatically on a regular period. So if you want to see the backups, you can just go and see backups, and you can download the backups also. See, automatically backups are being happen whenever you logged in, like that. There are 3 backups already. It is happened daily. It will take your backups from your system to have the data available. Suppose if you disconnect the cloud services later, because if you're traveling somewhere or 2 months or 3 months, then that time you're moving to your cloud, then returning back, you're moving to your own premises, means that times your data will be available for 1 month. So see, here we had done one trial, so the data backup will be available for 1 month after expiry also. So it is recommended to at least within a week you download your data to access in your local PCs. And if you want to, there is a shutdown schedule automatically done by Teleprime Cloud. But suppose if you want to schedule your own time method to do it, means you can even schedule the managed shutdown schedules. And if you want to update your tally to the latest, if it is 5.0 later, if it 5.1 or 6.0 comes means, and if you want to update it to the latest prime, no need to install or anything, just click on this update tally prime, tally will do this automatically. And we have, this is the advanced settings to sync with the local applications. where for business analysis applications or e-commerce integrations, this advanced synced local application will be useful. And to use this cloud, the Tally Prime version of 5.0 is required, and there is no installation is required. It will be automatically installed when you take a cloud access, and depends on the number of users. Tally itself allocate how many GBs of data is required. Suppose if your data is very huge, you have to take a big instance of students that you have to intimate us earlier. For the cloud accesses, there are two type of packages are available, monthly as well as quarterly. Suppose, as I said earlier, if you are going to India or somewhere, I just want to move this my silver data to cloud for 1 month, then later I will again go to my on-premise system. Means you can just take one monthly license, and you can migrate your data to the cloud, then coming back you can take it to your premises. So the charges we will discuss on based on your requirement. We will give you anything, the prices. Any questions if you have, you can tell me, or if you want to explain us, if you want any questions, I can explain you. Please feel touch to us. If any doubts or you want to have a trial of this cloud, please do call us. You know our numbers, either to Syamili or office numbers or to us. So we can have a trial to check it out. A 3 days trial is provided by Tally. Any questions?
If any of you guys are interested in getting a trial also, you can put it in the chat and we can also get connected with you. Any other questions? Anyone? I think, Uma, it's done. No one has any questions and all. So anyone wants to get any trial or directly, Shamili has given her number in the chat. You guys can get connected with her, or you can put it also in the chat if you want us to get connected with you. So everyone can go and look into the chat. The contact number from UHS and Shamli has been given. Okay, guys, we will be available here for 1 more minute. And thank you all for joining. Whoever wants to put it anything in the chat or take the numbers, just take it. And thank you everyone for joining. Have a nice day.